Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have the wood floor cleaned and we're just letting it dry. We're out here in this bright, beautiful sun, and we're going to dump dirty water out. We took 2 of those spray bottles to clean all the floor. That's 2.5 gallons, I think it is. Let's just say 2. So 4 gallons of cleaner that we've used. We're using the dark blue stuff. Light blue stuff is a different product. And we've sucked it up in this wet dry bag. Nothing but dirty water. And that is what we have off of this floor. So that's the dirty, nasty water. We are letting it dry right now. I think we cleaned it with that red pad rug. We used the 175 swing buffer to clean the floors. Sucked up with the vacuum cleaner. And then we're going to go over to a white pad, which is a little bit less aggressive. And we'll buff it out. Alright guys, we'll be right back. All right, this is Don with Omac. We're going to buff the floors. So these floors have been cleaned. Got all the nasty, yucky stuff, dirty water. We showed that just earlier. So we're going to put a buffing machine on it. But this is what it looks before we buff. We're going to go with a white pad like this. Got a couple of them. We'll put that on the buffer. This is clean and dry, so we're going to buff it here. It's got a few little wet spots, but it'll be okay. So already it's looking pretty good. There was desk and area rugs, all kinds of stuff all through this whole area here. So you can already see some shine come back to it. So what we'll do is we'll buff this, probably just a small area here, maybe the whole area. It's beautiful, the sun's shining, coming through the windows and stuff. So it's going to show you the real deal here in just a few minutes. So we're going to get busy and get this buffed out.